What's up guys, it's your Yorkshire girl here, and today I will be unboxing this from Everything £5. So I ordered some chunky trainers because I've been obsessed with them for a while and I just wanted to get them. So let's crack this open. I have to use scissors because I still don't know how to open a package and I don't have the strength. Really hard to open. I don't know why make packages like this, and it's kind of a waste of plastic, but who knows. I'm so excited. So I've opened the package and these are the trainers. I got it in this blue, there was also lighter blue. And I feel like these are coming back in fashion, so I can't wait to wear these. And also, they'll probably give me a little bit of height since I am short. So yeah, I can't wait to wear these. So I've got the trainers on, and these are what they look like. I actually quite like these. They are comfortable. I think I could have got them in a small size, but I mean, they will do in size 3, and they do give me a little bit of height, which I'm kind of glad, but it's easy to walk in. So yeah, I feel like this is a successful purchase.